Okay, so we are going to access our WhatsApp web. So when you want to access your WhatsApp web, this is what you have to do. But please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video to your friends. If you have any question, let me know in my comment section. So we are going to visit the WhatsApp web, and what you have to do is to go to your menu and go to your browser. For in this video, I'm going to use Chrome. So we click on the Chrome browser. After that, just wait for it to load. So when it loads like this, what you have to do is to type in WhatsApp web. So type in WhatsApp web like this, then you search. So when you search, just click on the first link, as you can see over here. So click on the first link, which is the WhatsApp web. So when you click on it, this is what you will see on your device. So as you can see over here, this is the WhatsApp web. You can access it at any time you want. Yeah. So this is what I want to teach you, or I want to show you. Yeah. For those who do not know how to access the WhatsApp web, this is the WhatsApp web. So as you can see, this is the WhatsApp web. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video. So guys, let me put this in this video. So as you can see over here, we have features over here. We have message privately, stay connected, build community, express yourself, WhatsApp for business. So this is like your WhatsApp, your mobile WhatsApp app. So if you want to chat privately, click on the message privately, and it's going to open. So let's wait for some while. So it's going to teach you how to WhatsApp privately. Do you get me? So whatever you want to know about WhatsApp is here. This is the WhatsApp web, and with me, I do not have any WhatsApp on this device. Yes, so yeah, so I have not downloaded any WhatsApp on this app. That's why it's different. So I will also use another device to access the WhatsApp app for you guys to see. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video to your friends on social media platform, and I will be happy. Thanks. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Have a nice day, and don't forget to share this video.